Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to another episode where we dive deep into the world of nutrition and healthy living. Today, I'm diving into something you might have in your kitchen right now: chia seeds. These tiny seeds have gained immense popularity for their incredible health benefits. These tiny powerhouses pack a punch of nutrition, but beware. While they are incredibly beneficial, there are some pitfalls you need to be aware of to avoid any adverse effects. There are some common mistakes you need to avoid. Making these mistakes can turn your healthy habit into a problematic one. Let's get into it. First up, not soaking chia seeds well. You might be tempted to just sprinkle them into your smoothie or yogurt, but chia seeds absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. This means they need to be properly hydrated before consumption. If you don't soak them, they can expand in your stomach, leading to discomfort or even a blockage. This can be particularly dangerous if you consume a large amount at once. Next, excessive consumption. Yes, chia seeds are nutrient-dense, but too much of a good thing can be harmful. Moderation is key when it comes to these tiny seeds. Overeating chia seeds might lead to digestive issues like bloating, gas, or constipation. These symptoms can be quite uncomfortable and counterproductive to your health goals. Stick to the recommended 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. This amount is sufficient to reap the benefits without overloading your system. Ignoring allergies is another big no-no. Although rare, some people are allergic to chia seeds. It's important to be aware of this possibility, especially if you have a history of food allergies. Symptoms may include rashes, hives, or even difficulty breathing. These reactions can be severe and require immediate medical attention. If you're trying chia seeds for the first time, start with a small amount to ensure you don't have an adverse reaction. This cautious approach can save you from potential health issues. Now, let's talk about an often overlooked issue: mixing chia seeds with certain medications. Chia seeds are high in fiber and can affect the absorption of medications. This is particularly important for those on specific treatments. If you're on blood pressure or blood sugar medication, consult your doctor before adding chia seeds to your diet. Your healthcare provider can give you personalized advice. Using expired seeds is a mistake you should never make. Expired chia seeds can lose their nutritional value and may even become rancid. Consuming rancid seeds can lead to digestive discomfort and other health issues. Always check the expiration date and store them in a cool, dry place. Proper storage ensures that your chia seeds remain fresh and nutritious. And finally, not drinking enough water. Because chia seeds absorb so much water, they can actually dehydrate you if you don't increase your water intake. Hydration is crucial when consuming chia seeds. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep things balanced. This will help your body process the chia seeds effectively. So there you have it. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can safely enjoy the many benefits of chia seeds. Remember, it's all about balance and being informed. Knowledge is power when it comes to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Your support helps us create more content to keep you informed and healthy. Stay healthy and take care. That's it for today. Until next time, keep making those healthy choices. Your body will thank you for it. See you in the next video.